Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can log out of your Appleit. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping. In order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open your web browser first, and soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and search for Appleit. Apple.com. Go ahead and type in your Appleit in the text field and sign into your account. If you're not after you do that, click on the next button, type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password while logging into your account. If you want to log in without any kind of a problem, if you want to double check your password before moving on, click on this eye icon at the right corner so that you can reveal the password and double check. If you want the system to remember you on this device, click on Remember Me a box and click on the next button. Once you log into your account, you'll be able to see you are inside the profile of your Appleit. You can go through the account section, security, devices, payment and shipping and much more. In order to log out of your account or sign out of your account, you'll be able to see that there is a sign out button to the upper right. It's pretty quick and easy. You just need to click on that sign out button and you will be logged out of your Appleit. It was pretty easy and quick, wasn't it? That is how you can easily sign out of your Appleit. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.